Okay, my dears, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you are new around here, please make sure you like and subscribe because it does really mean a lot to me. And also you'll be notified of all the wonderful videos that I'm putting out at the moment. So today's video, I just wanted to create a really simple, easy spread that anyone can do. You don't need to have any particular skills. It's just about enjoying it, and it's going to be really simple. Often a lot of people don't get into creative journaling because they feel quite overwhelmed about it and feels like it needs to be it needs to look a certain way. I've said this before in my videos. We leave perfectionism at the door and we just focus on enjoying the process of creating. Now I'm going to focus on using lots of cuttings for this spread, and yeah, I'm just going to see where my creativity takes me, but the focus is that this is just a really simple, easy spread that you can recreate as well. So hope you enjoy it. Let's get stuck in.